Here's our Marine Corps security.
Those monkeys are coming back tonight. And they probably have some of the eggs. They're going to be throwing them at us.
They're bringing their friends. They're all, there's a party over there.
Don't post this. Oh.
I can't. I still have to edit.
I know, but don't post my face. Not enough makeup. And I haven't even washed my face. Does it look like it normally does?
Some of mine. It's mine the way I did yesterday.
Anong luto, Sel?
Corn beef.
Corned beef?
Yeah, corn beef. Oh, ano?
Ilan lata ang corned beef ang kailangan natin?
Ano?
May dalawa. Kaso, debate pa yung ano.
Naku, hindi pa buksan.
Really? Really?
Tawagin natin mga raccoon.
In your face. In your face, baby.
Okay, tignan natin bubukas yan
Okay,
ganyan.
how much you wanna bet? How much you wanna bet first?
Ina shit.
Bet, talo ka na.
Bubukas na.
Okay.
Pumipinta na to.
Nothing.
Ano sabi mo, Bet? Naku, ito nga. Wala kang corned beef.
Tayo na, wala kang corn beef mamaya.
Sala, kunin ko yung corn beef mo.
Sel, wag mo ano to.
Ha?
When did you get that?
Ito camera? Tagal na. This is a 10-year-old camera.
Pagod na ako. Pagod na ako magbati na ito.
Ano nagawa mo dyan, Ben?
Babate.
Ha?
Babate.
Anong babate?
Itlog.
Anak ng pati.
Sakit na nga dapat kaliwa gamitin ko.
Yung chips,
Binuksan?
oo, tinira. Lahat sa loob ng kotse.
Hindi mo pinaalala kagabi ulit. Niransak yun.
Malaki yung puno na yun eh, kaya may rakon siguro.
Meron ko, no? This is the raccoon footprint. And that's how close he was to our security guard. Right there. And they climbed up this tree all the way up, and they were right there laughing at him. The hell was this guy doing?
I was numb from the beer, from the alcohol.
Useless.
Yeah.
Basta andito lang, ano?
Yeah. I didn't feel the cold. I didn't feel nothing.
And I think they were throwing beer right here. Inihiyan ka yata eh.
No, it's sap.
Huh?
Sap.
Taste it.
Hihinga. Buti di ka napangan.
Doggies. Good morning, Tati.
Good morning, Rube. I love Rube.
Farmer John.
Hindi ba yung raccoon?
Sausage ni Jan yan?
Ang liit naman.
Nag-try magbo.
Jan, I think you're supposed to hold it on the bottom so after you cut it, it won't fall down.
Take 3.
Po yung cook natin.
Siyempre.
Ito yung pancake. Tutok sa pansipa.
Ito yung gwardya, oh. Tutulog.
Baka naromansa ka na ng raccoon kagabi, ha?
Oo, ginaha. Umutot yung raccoon na nakakot yung gwardya.
Jared, come here. Yep. No. We have buta.
Ayan, no? Nagluluto, oh. Himala. Expert, ano yan? Expert sa ganyan, no? Yan, no? So, yan pa.